Alright, it's been a little while since I've shown my face, so here's my face. Anyhow, I'm at the track, whatever, and I'm testing out some solar powered stuff like I have a tendency to do, and I've got this 12 volt fan, which I've had for a little while now. It's nothing terribly fancy, but it's a good size, especially for a 12 volt fan. And I've got it connected, like right now I've got my solar panels connected to my power supply, so that's great. Power supply is charged, but I can actually run this fan straight off of the solar panels, and it runs like crazy. Oh yeah, and that's straight off of solar power, so I can still charge my power supply and have a fan. It's good stuff. You want to know what goes through my mind when I'm chasing cars? Here you go.
Speed. Oh, hey, look, my shadow. Hey, I wonder how many miles this car has on it. I wonder if I can get a peek at the odometer. Let me see. Dang it, that was too quick. I wonder what music I'm going to use for this video. This is gonna make such a cool shot! Is that my stomach growling? Ooh, they almost hit! Of course, I just take off and then my phone starts to ring. It's probably a scam call anyway. Say cheese! Alright, there's a bug biting my ankle right now, but I can't scratch it, because if I do, I'll crash. Get off my leg. Say, that's a nice rack. Dang it, now something else is biting me. This is already a wreck. Get it, guys. Dang, I almost hit that cone. Yo, I gotta get out of here before I starve to death.